Hello, I am Sintara Leonardo. I am here to explain quality management principles, models, concepts, and frameworks, and problem-solving tools. Quality defined as the degree of excellence. Contemporary influences the quality are of globalization, social responsibility, new dimensions of quality, aging population, healthcare, environmental concerns, and 21st century. A quality management principle is a comprehensive and fundamental rule or belief for leading and operating an organization aimed at continually improving performance over the long term by focusing on the customers while addressing the needs of all the stakeholders. 8 principles of quality management on which the quality management system standards of the ISO 9000 series are based. Principle 1, Customer Focus. Organizations depend on their customer and therefore should understand current and future customer needs, should meet customer requirements, and strive to exceed customer expectations. Through monitoring your customer and measuring their satisfaction, you will be able to identify their needs and expectations and gain better customer knowledge, enable you to implement the relevant corrective actions to improve the experience of your customers. Data also provides the opportunity to optimize marketing campaigns through very precise targeting. Communicating measurements indicators internally allows you to direct your teams and to raise awareness throughout the company with regard to customer centricity. This model identifies 7 gaps related to managerial perceptions of the quality of services and tasks associated with the delivery of services to customers. First gap is identified as a function of the how provision of services, while gap 5 relates to customer and is thus considered as the true measure of the quality of service. The serve-qual methodology as an effect is gap 5. Principle 2, Leadership. Leaders establish unity of purpose and direction of the organization. They should create and maintain the internal environment in which people can become fully involved in achieving the organization's objective. Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award is an award established by the U.S. Congress in 1987 to raise awareness of quality management and recognize U.S. companies that have implemented successful quality management system, while European Foundation for Quality Management brings together organizations striving for sustainable excellence. The 7 Habits provides an incremental, sequential, integrated approach to the development of personal effectiveness, moving us progressively from dependence to independence, interdependence. 7 habits are: be proactive, begin with the end in mind, put things first, think win-win, seek first to understand then to be understood, synergize, sharpen the saw. Principle 3, Involvement of people. People at the level are essence of an organization and their full involvement enables their abilities to be used for organization's benefit. The quality circle will not only help the organization but the employees of the organization as well. The objectives of this quality circle is to have change in attitude, development of team spirit, and improve organizational culture. One of the ways to solve organizational problems is to use the appropriate tool for each problem. If the quality circle practiced properly, the organization will benefit the following: improve employee and employer relationship, develop participative culture and team spirit, reduce the work-related errors and cost, increase productivity, improve quality of the goods and services, and leads towards better efficiency. Suggestion systems will have some disadvantage, such as labor-intensive and magnet for the troublemaking employees. This will help the betterment of the organization. The suggestion system, it will help the organization if practiced properly. By applying suggestion system, organization can improve employee morale, increase job satisfaction, increase ownership and engagement, build team spirit, reduce costs, and increase profitability, increase revenue, and improve customer satisfaction. Although there are some major challenges in developing self-direction, and it might take years for the employees to work efficiently and effectively in teams and develop their skills in problem solving and decision making. This will help the company to reach their goals. Each team might compose of people with different skills. Also, everyone in each team has the rights to give their input, suggestions, and questions from their team members. Process approach for Principle 4, a desired result is achieved more efficiently when activities and related resources are managed as a process. Sampling plan is widely used in manufacturing industry, especially in the quality assurance department for them to determine if the lot delivered and or produced are accepted or rejected. There are different types of sampling plan, but mostly used is acceptance sampling with the help of military standard. It is also possible to use sampling plan to service industries such as healthcare, hospitality, and education. As long as there is incoming or receiving inspection in the service industry, sampling plan can be applied. Control charts are the simplest type of online statistical process control procedure. To have a correct control chart, there must be a proper execution of each process such as proper inspection. Other helpful tools for process approach are the benchmarking APQP or PPAP, FMEA, and business process engineering. FMEA can be used to determine severity and occurrence of each process. Application of business process engineering in organization will help gain service improvement, quality enhancement, cost reduction, and cycle time reduction. Principle 5, System Approach to Management. Identifying, understanding, and managing interrelated processes as a system contributes to organization's effectiveness and efficiency in achieving its objectives. This includes ISO 9001 and the other management system standards such as ISO 14001, ISO 22000, ISO 27000, and OSAS 18001. Most of the school nowadays are ISO 9001 2015 certified. Application of Environmental Management System and the new ISO 21001 2018 will be beneficial in the institution. Principle 6, Continual Improvement, employing a consistent organization-wide approach to continual improvement of the organization's performance, providing people with training in the methods of the tools continual improvement, making continual improvement of products, processes and system an objective for every individual in the organization, establishing goals to guide and measures to track continual improvement, lastly recognizing and acknowledging improvement. Principle 7, Factual Approach to Decision Making. Effectively, decisions are based on the analysis of data and information. The key benefits of this principle are it will increase the ability to review, challenge, and change opinions and decisions. Also, it will increase the ability to demonstrate the effectiveness of past decisions through the references to factual records. As an example, in order for the education institution to deliver their main mission, they should measure whether they achieve their strategic objectives or not. This balanced scorecard may help the organization to motivate and evaluate the organization performance of the institution. The organization may review the administrative structures, operations, functions, and the current performance measurement system of the school. Principle 8, Mutually Beneficial Supplier Relationship. An organization and its suppliers are interdependent and mutually beneficial relationship enhances the ability of both to create value, increased ability to create value of both parties, flexibility and speed of joint responses to changing market or customer needs and expectations, optimization of costs and resources. As an example, accreditation will not look for the weakness of the school because they are there to help strengthen the school. It helps parents to know which program they may send their children to for quality education. Make all those engaged in education aware of standards and excellence in which they should strive to attain, and make possible for those proposing funding and those who are to fund to know what to support and how much support is needed.